So, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, me and my brother are going out to watch the movie known as The Fantastic Four The First Steps. And here's the vlog for it. And in the last part, you will be seeing my review of
भाई
the
सुबह
movie.
से कोई चीज़ अच्छी नहीं चल रही। एक तो सुबह सुबह लेट आए, आज एक आंटी को एक्सकलेटर में गिरते हुए देख लिया भाई। ऐसा गिरना मतलब ऐसा स्लिप होके नहीं गिर रहे थे, आंटी पूरी रोल हो गई थी भाई एक्सकलेटर में। वो तो स्टॉप कर दिया, महाराज ने हेल्प भी करी। आपको कैसा लगा? आपको थोड़ा सा
are the protectors of this world.
1000 रुपये देके क्या फ़ायदा जब खाना खुद ही बनाना है हमने।
दिल्ली के लोग
हेलो स्लाइस करी। ये देखो मेरी आर्टिस्टिक वाइनेस,
इसमें भी सॉस ले लेते थोड़ा।
हाँ उसी में रख लो।
और कौन सी मस्टर्ड सॉस?
मस्टर्ड, हाँ मस्टर्ड ले लो, एक काम करो। बस guys, अब घर जाके खाना भी खाना है करण भैया। भाई बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपकॉर्न वॉपकॉर्न गिरा दिए, ज़रा मैंने कपड़ों में तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गए, बट ठीक है कोई बात नहीं। अब चलेंगे वापस मामा के घर क्योंकि वहाँ जाना है। हम दोनों तो बाइक से आए थे तो अभी बारिश नहीं हो रही, तो अब जाके निकल रहे हैं हम। थोड़ी देर वेट कर लिया था हमने जब तक बारिश रुके।
Okay, so we just came back from watching the entire movie about Fantastic Beasts: The First Steps, and here's my review about it. So, starting from the first half, I really loved it a lot because काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक communal feeling थी. There was a familiar feeling about it, and you can see the bond that they formed, and it was like they were starting with the present scenario and क्या चल रहा है, how the female got pregnant and everything, and then they also jump into the past via these reports and all of that, the news, and वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा actually में अच्छा लगता है because you are seeing it in the present time. Apart from that, I really loved the way they presented Johnny. I have to say, I've been an Eddie fan since I saw Stranger Things 4 and 5 भी आ रही है. Maybe I can review about it too, but वो बहुत ज़्यादा like he's very much into the character and really love the punks that they make and the jokes that they make, and especially when seeing the rock guy, I don't remember his name, but वो बहुत ज़्यादा like it was really fun to see him like that because we can see that generally जब हमने previous movies देखी है he had been seen a lot more like थोड़ा सा mellow and काफ़ी ज़्यादा उसके character के साथ you don't see that friendly bond. The only thing that's been presented throughout the other movies was his regret of being the rock guy, whereas यहाँ पर we can see that you know there is this hesitant, there is a lot more insecurity towards his looks, but एक और चीज़ जो हमें दिखती है was Reed and the rock guys like relationship, even his relationship with how him and the Torch get along. It's very nice, and oh my god, the last part where they try to save the baby, and the only thing when I had in mind कि यार Galactus इतना easily इनके trap में आ जाएगा तो like you know it's I was like it can't happen, and obviously it did not. So मेरे हिसाब से the movie plot was very predictable जहाँ तक बात थी, because you can easily guess like you know कि oh yeah you know वो Galactus would not get into their trap. There must be some sort of twist that would happen, as well as ki like you know while she was using her powers, Sue was using her powers, you can see that it was taking a toll on her, considering that she just got out of her pregnancy and she just had a baby and all of that. And the part where it just felt like oh we knew that the baby is going to do something better, but one thing that I liked about it, very small details that they have put in, like considering the time, the sort of villain, and like you know Galactus maybe there was like there we can see a character in him where his statements generally presented ki oh you know what, I'm done with this hunger, I always feel hungry, I feel this starvation inside of me, and to just get like despite of having so much power, he still needs to be done with it, and he did not want the child to take his power like general villain drama, but he actually wanted to just stop his hunger, which was a great addition obviously. And यही चीज़ जब हम like you know the CGI that they used, I was entire time जब मैं भाई के साथ में बैठी I was like I love the CGI. Okay, it was too great. I mean, especially जो birthing scene था, that was cute. And when The Rock took it, like the baby in his hand, so you cannot really see a difference between what's fictional, what's made by the computer, and if it's real or not. And that is something I really love throughout the movie. Especially like जो details उस पूरी CGI में लगी, it's very nice. Considering जब the thing is, the baby went to the mother, so जब he was trying to reach out to it, it just looked so real, and I really loved it. And particularly apart from that, the entire like experience was really great of the movie. Predictable plot, but लेकिन there is it's different, you know, it's different somehow from the rest of the movies. I am yet to see Superman, so I don't know, but in terms of retro comic accurateness of Marvel in this movie was truly great. The only dikkat I had was the end credit scenes. Okay, the first one, amazing, mind-blowing, made my expectations here, and I was like, oh my god, when is Doomsday coming? But जैसे ही हम लोग last second वाले पे आते हैं, and if it's just a song, and okay, I don't mind songs, but it should have been the other way around. I would have loved it them putting the song first and then me enjoying, and then maybe escalate it to the Doom part of it, the Doom frame. I would have loved that, honestly. And honestly, उस time पे I was not expecting Doom to appear in the end credit scene. मुझे लग रहा था, oh maybe the kid was used some powers or something, but no, the Doom came, and the metallicness of uska pura, because we could not see his face obviously, so we can see the side part of his leg and that metallic frame and that shine, and with the cape ka that greenness, it was, I love Marvel ka CGI, I'll be honest. The entire movie, and I was like great, and oh my god, acting सबकी बहुत अच्छी थी. Even when you can see, you know, the little part that I had considerations about was जब वो लोग press conferences कर रहे थे, जब वो वापस आ रहे थे, and it was something that like the reaction that media had, though it's actually truth, but I was expecting a little bit of depth in there. But then again, Marvel की movies छोटी होती है, so we can't really expect much depth in terms of the crisis that they were going through. And we have seen in the, you know, Civil War that the crisis generally is not the strongest point that Marvel has while exhibiting it out. It's mostly like, oh, the world is against our superheroes. But I really like this part. The crisis was just appropriate, though there was a lack of depth, I'd say, but rest of it was great. Even the reactions that the supporting cast had, that was really good, especially when they were trying to save the world. Maybe when the Galactus was walking over the city and people were like, you know, feeling that sort of like the shakiness under the earth, even that was great. So I think like the extras did a great job, the main actors did a great job, the baby, oh my god, the CGI perfect. And the way the plot was directed, though it was a predictable plot, the direction was too good, and obviously the aesthetic, it was amazing. And by the way, मेरे भाई ने एक चीज़ बोली थी जो I definitely agree with him. We need to have that baby, that car baby seat, whatever that is, for like merch. Oh my god, I think every new parent should buy that. It would look so cool. So yeah, that's all for my review for how the Fantastic Four, the first step, was like, and I hope to see you once again. Though I'm planning that I might do a small series that might come up. So let's see. Bye bye.